Hello and welcome to this listing for a 2012 Toyota Auris Colour Collection 1.33 Dual VVTi. It's a very clever engine, but we'll start by giving you a walk around of the car. Colour Collection spec, which is a limited edition, and you get this lovely blue colour. Car looks really nice in the sun. Four alloy wheels. 5-door car, petrol, manual. Also on this Colour Collection spec, you get fog lights, the aforementioned alloy wheels, indicators in the wing mirrors, lots of kit on the interior, 4 electric windows, power folding mirrors, you get a flat bottom steering wheel with steering wheel controls. You can control your trip computer here. Also Bluetooth hands-free on the radio, answer and reject calls there, volume, channel, change the mode on the stereo. It also connects not only by Bluetooth but USB and aux in. Massive glove box space in this car. Dual zone climate control, working air conditioning. Dual zone means that you and your passenger can have different temperatures. And climate control means it's all automatic, so you just set the temperature and the car does the rest. Cup holders both sides. In the back you've got Isofix for attaching your child seat. Pretty good space for 3 across the back. 3-point seat belts, very safe. Electric windows as mentioned. Big boot there, the original Auris mats in there, should you wish to use them. Yeah, for a car of this size, it's more than ample for a family. It's amazing that small engine can haul it along pretty quick and still give good economy. You'll see that in the driving section of the video, but before we get to that, we'll just go through a few of the defects. This is a 9-year-old car, and as you can see, there's some paint defects on that lovely blue paint. A few car part scrapes. I mean, of a car this age, you'd be surprised if they didn't have that. Again on the bumper, this one's not bad, but the odd scrape. And there. And there. There's nothing really major. There's a scratch through paint here. It's probably the worst thing in the car, I'd say. Obviously it is a used car. There are little dents here and there. It's in this sort of condition I'd expect a car of this age to be in. Bumper's had a bit of a hard time. But again, these sort of things don't really detract from the car. It looks really nice in the sunshine, I think you'll agree. So let's take it for a drive. Starts wonderfully. Get my seat lower. I haven't actually adjusted my seat in here yet. Reach and rake adjustment on the steering wheel. Nice and comfy. The gear lever is really high, which is great because it fills the hand. Good armrest. Very comfortable car actually. Good view out. Let's see how it drives. Better than that Toyota with the smoke, hopefully. I have already driven this back from collecting it a little bit. I am outstanding with the way it drives, actually. Not because it's in great nick or it drives really well for the age, because being a Toyota, I expected that. What I was really impressed with is the way this engine pulls. This is a 1.33. If you're an engine geek, it's got no turbo on it. So you wouldn't think it could haul along what is quite a large family car. But it does, with ease. Lovely gear change. Seems to be a thing with Japanese cars. Nice clutch, very light controls. Steering nice and light, actually, especially for a car of this age. Pulling away in fifth there. I mean, that's amazing. That was under 2 there. 2,000 revs, I should say. Good brakes, which I've tested there. Look at that. I mean, it really feels potent performance, even at low revs, which is, if you know your engines, that's quite a feat for a naturally aspirated small capacity engine in a big car. If you don't know your engines, suffice it to know that you'll feel like this car is plenty quick enough for you, and yet it's giving great economy. .45.7 on the trip computer now, but I think it was 46 or something when I got it. So we'll just take it on a dual carriageway. That shifts nicely. Going too fast. So 70 miles per hour there. You're doing under 3,000 revs. Nice and quiet. Should be a refined, economical motorway tourer with its 6-speed gearbox. Still can't get over how much power they managed to get out of this. Little 1.3. Brakes are good. Everything seems good, as it should really, because it was serviced by its previous owner in, I believe it was November or even December 20, so very recently. MOT to October. No knocks and bangs in suspension. No weird sounds from the engine. It was freezing cold with frost on it when I picked it up. Started on the button, and when we just started just then, it was very hot. I started again on the button, so yeah. Shock horror, Toyota, it runs well. So yeah, I hope this video's been instructive. It really is a good car that drives well, no problems, no need for work. If you're interested, please get in contact.
Our phone number's on our website. You can find everything on our website. You can reserve the car for £100 on our website. It's sparcarsales.co.uk. Should be able to find a link below. Any questions, don't hesitate to give us a shout. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.